Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. So I went on an Ollies run, and I usually get to go to Ollies maybe once a year because in New York City there's an Ollies around 30 or 40 minutes south of me, but I have to go through some bridges and tunnels, so the toll adds up to what, $18. Then there's an Ollies north of me. It's like an hour and a half, and the toll is like around $4 or $5. So it's not exactly close to me, and the toll will make it not economically feasible. But once a year I do head into Pennsylvania, and that's why I end up going to the one in Pennsylvania, because sometimes on a weekend I spend a weekend in East Stroudsburg, which is close to Mount Poconos in PA. So it's only like 30 minutes away, no tolls. So the first year there was a slim selection, but I bought 2 models. Last year there was nothing, and then this year, which was this past weekend, I have footage of my trip, and then afterwards I'll show you what I got. But Ollies is pretty interesting because I'm not going to find my Holy Grail kits or my highly sought after kits, but they do carry kits that you wouldn't mind having, especially at that price. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's pretty much the same in aggregate selection as everyone else, but different Ollies have different kits. But in the aggregate, it's the same thing, but some don't carry certain kits. So when you go there, you know, I don't purchase all the kits, but I do pick up kits that are interesting and I think I will build, and I wouldn't mind having. But there are some kits I don't think I'll ever get to build, so those are ones I don't buy. So here's footage of my trip. Alright guys, we're here at Ollies at Mount Poconos, Pennsylvania. Let's see if they have any model kits. Alright guys, so I'm inside Ollies. Guess what I found? So let me turn the camera around. Alright, so here's the selection. It's the same ones you've seen on everyone else's channels, or Elder Ollies. So it's the 132 scale, the small 32 Ford, $12.99. The Hot Wheels, 65 Bonneville, 41 Plymouth, the Coke Edition, 60 Ford. They have the other pickup too. Hot Wheels, the Freyhof van. This one's $19.99. The Curbside, $41.41. The Batwing, let me put this back before I turn the camera back on. So to recap, it's the Curbside, the Hot Wheels, 2 pickups. They have the Dodge one also, the Ford, Plymouth, Batwing, that's the Dodge Ram, and the small scale. Oh, they also have the Star Wars Snap It. I also saw in the back the Stearman. I already have that. I'm not gonna dig it back up. It was in the back somewhere. Someone hit it. This one's too big, so I won't be picking that up. Here it goes, hidden in the back. The Stearman space shuttle. Oop! I found one in the back. I'll be picking this one up. Okay, so that's it. See you guys when I get home. Oops! On the other side, I forgot to include the Monopoly, but I probably won't be building it. Small and snap it. But just thought you guys should take a look at this. Snap together. With the Monopoly. Okay, I think that's it. Unless I find more. Found some more on the end of the aisle. Same as the shelf. Cameras. 40 Ford. Alright, so let's go over what I end up purchasing. So these two, they only had one each. Well, actually the next three I'm going to show you, they only had one each. So I have a feeling these came out first on the shelf and then people just bought them up. Because the rest of the selection, they had a lot of. These, they only had one of each. And I've seen these on other people's channels, so I think they came out probably a month ago, while the other selections might have only came out a few weeks ago. But I very rarely see monogram. So here is the monogram Viper. So that looks pretty cool. It looks like a basic version as opposed to some Revell that seems more detailed. So I got the Dodge Viper. I got the 32 Ford Street Rod. I think I have something in mind for this, but details to follow, so stay tuned. And this was the last one. It was hidden, so it looks like someone hid it. At least the boxes were in good shape. It wasn't like it was crushed or anything like that. So this is a nice short tractor rig, a combo, because usually you have to buy the tractor and the trailer separate. Unfortunately, no Ratfink International cab over or the Ratfink trailer. They did have that Freyhof Coca-Cola van, but I could have just left it white and hook it up to any of my tractor kits. But I think I'm going to hold out for my NASCAR, for my race car hauler. So then the next two are the Coca-Cola. I've never built a pickup. So here are my two pickups. 60 Ford. 80 Dodge Ram. I remember when they had the mini pickup craze in the 80s. Maybe doing red, I don't know. But anyway, I'm looking forward to these Coke accessories because I hear good things about it. And I've never built these Coca-Colas. Here's another Coke version. 41 Plymouth. I ended up not picking up the 40 Ford because I think that was really more of a drag car, and I'm not really that big in the drag because I like to build stock. And then the Camaro Hot Wheels looks like it's a simple kit. And I like the older Camaros, not the newer ones. And the last one is my favorite category. It's like the old full size from the 60s. 65 Bonneville. You can do custom. I might do stock with this one. I was contemplating picking up 2 of these so I can do 1 stock and 1 custom, but I'll probably just end up doing stock. This one's kind of heavy, but cool kit nonetheless. So I think I've kind of gave my rationale on my selection. So what was that, 7 kits? Plus I got the 15% off on top of that. So hope you guys enjoy this trip to Ollies.